Hi guys, I'm Zia.
I'm Sanjana.
I'm Srishti.
And I'm Dhritika.
And we are Besharams. Srishti, why did you lag? You were like, I'm...
Yeah, I also lagged because before you said I'm Zia, I was like, I'm Sanjana.
I want to talk today about humans that have never been lazy at all ever. There are certain humans
Clearly
on this
not me.
earth
Yeah.
that find it fun and interesting to be superhumans.
Right.
Yeah.
Holding in that fucking yawn. Sanjana today in this episode is about Sanjana holding in the biggest yawn ever and setting a
Yeah.
world record.
I'm setting the world record. Count
Bitch,
how many times I yawned today and
Do
hold
you
it in.
remember on TV this big? Bro, they are gone. They have left. But do you remember on TV there used to be this show called Guinness World Record
Yeah,
break?
yeah.
Like
Yeah.
they used to
Yes.
break the world records
Right.
on TV.
Yeah.
I ate that shit up with me, my sister, my cousins. We used to love it. It was it's the freakiest
Yes.
fucking people ever.
I remember
Yeah.
seeing the tallest man and the shortest woman.
She's
in
from
the
India.
world. Even the man is from India, I think.
No, I don't think.
Or was.
He's from an Asian country is what I've seen.
Oh, right. And the girl is,
Yeah,
the woman is
yeah.
really short. Yeah.
Yeah.
I remember seeing that.
She was in a movie also, I think. I've seen her in like a TV series. Yeah, she was in a TV series. or
Oh,
something
wow.
Like
Dude, so I got so engrossed in this idea last night that I looked up like really weird, wacky
Guinness.
world
World
records
records.
that
Right.
people hold. And I just got to thinking, I was like, what first of all compelled you to do what you did?
Yes.
Who in their right mind had this record before you?
Yeah.
And like, where are the bounds to this? Like, if I tie a ponytail in 3 seconds, do I get a world record?
you do.
I do.
Yeah.
It's as basic as that.
No,
you know?
but
It
like,
can get as
even
basic
from
as
what
that.
I've read and what I've seen online, people get world records for like anything.
Anything.
I came across this one man who
Anything.
ate an entire onion in a certain amount of seconds.
Yeah, I saw another man. See, this I would give credit for who could hold the longest plank.
Fair.
That was like a few hours
That's
or
good.
something.
Yeah,
Yes,
that-
yes.
Yeah, that was
Yes.
a few hours.
Yeah.
Yo.
And he was like trembling at the end of it.
Yes,
I mean,
this
of course,
one
but-
couple who had a world record of holding the longest kiss. They recently got divorced.
Oh my god.
That was crazy.
That was so sad. But I saw this another lady who has the biggest mouth.
Yep,
And
she can fit.
She can
yes,
fit like
yes,
a
yes.
whole burger in her mouth in one bite.
Yes,
Me when?
but like that is you.
That is me.
I recently saw this one video yesterday. It came on my reels. Some children, they are like 8 and 7-year-old kids. They are swimming from Atal Setu to Gateway of India.
Are they taking breaks? Like, do they go to the coast?
No,
There is no coast.
They do it in one stretch.
One stretch.
I think there's
They,
someone on
the fucking French fries after that are good.
Oh.
Because if you know, you know.
Yeah.
After
Yeah,
swimming.
You're famished,
Oh my god.
and anything you eat slaps.
Anything. Especially French fries though.
No,
I think French
I've
fries
never-
or like a sandwich.
yes.
Sandwich,
Yes.
yes.
Sandwiches after the pool. Oh my god, my mouth's watering. It used to hate.
And then after all of that, like a nice cold beverage to wash everything down. Oh.
I just want to go on vacation.
And then
I'm
one
just thinking about it.
5-hour nap.
Oh.
5-hour afternoon nap.
Damn.
Oof.
Whichever time you finish, you have to have the afternoon nap.
Dude,
You
and
have
then
to.
you wake up like at 8 o'clock.
Not knowing
You
what
wear
day
a
it is.
dress
And you
and you
get
go for dinner.
Oh,
Yeah.
Bitch.
This and not knowing what day of the week it is.
Oh my god.
I so wanna do that.
Anyway, so I noted some of them down, and I'm using this to read them off because I don't want to get the names wrong because these people are obviously this is very important to them.
Yeah.
For sure.
First of all, let me start with a weird one.
Okay.
There is a man in India who holds the record for the largest ear hair. Do you want to guess how long it is?
Your hair.
Ear hair.
What the fuck?
कान के
No.
बाल.
3 feet.
3 feet
Who
कितना
the
होता है?
fuck
Centimeter में
has
बोल.
like
अच्छा.
your hair like
It's growing out
Out.
of him.
out of the
And guess what, bro?
What?
Somebody from the Guinness people had to go there with a straight face and measure the shit out of it.
That's the wackiest thing. Like, okay, somebody's claiming it, and then you go there and like you measure
Oh my
it.
god, I think that's the worst job.
Yeah.
Oh my god, yeah.
I feel all jobs are bad, but
In today, definitely.
No job is good.
no
Is it
job is
30
good.
Guys,
centimeters.
leave your job.
Yeah.
It's 25
Oh, it's
centimeters.
ridiculous.
It's
No, that's-
25 centimeter. It's held by
like
Radhakant Bajpai.
25 centimeters is like definitely more than that Camlin ka ruler we used to use at
बड़ा
school,
foot
no?
ruler आता था ना?
30, that used to be 30, no?
So 5
Yeah, so
centimeter
half.
less than that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That, yeah.
Bro,
Bro.
that's freaky.
Wow.
Why? First of all, guys, hygiene. Why?
No. He said that it was his good luck.
What?
I
हाँ,
guess.
मतलब
He
at
हाँ,
least,
मतलब
I mean, good luck for them. For the Pictionary game was keeping the chit box closer, and then they got a few points with that. So this might be good luck for him in some way. I don't know.
हाँ मतलब ऐसा उसका बाल बढ़ गया गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड में नाम आ गया पैसा मिला तो होगा ही भाई
But
गुड
just
लक
imagine, like the range of emotions. The person who calls these people up, like, hey, I think I might be the world record
Holder for this
holder for this
particular
record. And imagine them saying, oh no, someone has 26 centimeters.
thing. The heartbreak.
I'll just wait for another month and call you back.
Yeah, I guess.
Probably. And imagine the receiver also of that call, like, oh my god, abhi kya world record aa gaya. Like, I'm pretty sure there are wackier ones than this.
Yeah,
There was a
sure.
lady who had like the longest nails.
no
Yes,
it's a man
it was a man.
It's a man.
It was a man.
A lady का female का ये अलग है,
Category.
category अलग
And
है.
then they showed a video of him cutting them off with a
Saw?
no, with that gold thing that goes down.
yeah.
Chainsaw.
no
Arey,
I know what you're talking
just say you
about.
cut wood or like
Yeah.
granite and something.
yeah
It's circle. It has blades, and then
I know what you're talking about. I don't know the name of
yeah.
the instrument.
yeah, I don't know. We'll put up
tool.
a picture here.
yeah
But it like curls up, no?
Yeah,
at the
those,
end.
and it
Yeah.
looks dirty.
and they were very dirty
And fuck all of that. Even if it's clean, how the fuck do you manage regular things?
They don't.
Oh God,
They just don't.
the weight.
Guys, let's do a challenge for Dhritika and Sanjana who will hold their yawn in for longer.
I've been yawning. I've
I at
yawned
least
like
yawned twice.
5 times since we started, and it's been
Oh,
2
no,
minutes.
I want to know like what goes on in these people's head. They're like, okay, you know what? I can't do this fucking job. I can't do that fucking job. You know what I might do? I might just grow one body part of mine, and then I'm gonna get a fucking Guinness
But they
Book World
don't
Record.
get paid for this. They are not. They might
You
get paid
get
a fee.
fame.
Yeah, you get fame.
That's also then like not
And
even
then
long
people call you a
lasted.
freak.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then what? The fame doesn't even last long because
That's
मैंने ये पहली बार सुना है.
That's what I
There are
said.
so many people जिनके बारे में सुना भी
But
नहीं है.
some people break records to like make like just to break a like to hold the record of the most
Yeah.
records broken.
Yeah.
There is this guy who has a YouTube channel where he breaks world records
Okay.
Wow.
with him and his
I might
family.
have come across that once.
Guess how many toilet paper rolls he has balanced on his head?
15.
100.
Not 50 at all. I think 36, 38.
You were the closest. It's 101. He has balanced 101.
How would you stack it?
He stacked it like we'll put up a picture here, but it's like it looks kind of like a diamond shape.
So it's probably on a surface.
There's
and then-
cardboards in the middle.
Yeah.
There is
And then
cardboards
there's
in the
a-
middle.
I don't think it's just.
No, it's
on
not
that.
stuck though.
No,
Nothing
I know.
is stuck.
I know.
I
but
am
it's-
imagining him stack over stack over stack like a straight line,
And
and
imagine-
that would be impossible to do.
The video was him trying also.
Oh,
So you see the entire process.
You see the entire process, and every time that he misses his balance, it falls. And they have to stack it all over again, him and his family.
Oh my god.
Exactly.
Wow.
And bro, get this. What was the record before that? What record
98.
did he break?
98.
I think
He was a fucking overachiever. The record
57.
early.
Oh shit, am I right?
You bang on!
the fuck.
57.
57.
He doubled it.
He doubled it.
Wow.
Almost doubled it. A little less than double.
That's
crazy.
insane.
Right?
Crazy.
There's this other person who holds the record of fastest time in drinking a bottle of ketchup with a straw.
Ooh.
His name is Andre Orcholf.
हाँ ये सब ये वो लोग ही कर सकते हैं सब हरकत. This is
Andre
too
or
much.
tall?
2 minutes 43 seconds.
I'm not aware of the time because I
Oh,
forgot
shit.
to write it down.
Somebody
Could you
fact check
check
it.
that?
Somebody fact check it.
somebody
fucking
fact
fact check this fact. And comment it down below.
Genuinely, it's so difficult to sculpt out
Yeah.
a thick liquid.
That's
Bro,
mad.
That's mad.
What do you think the most cities a person has visited in 12 hours is?
Do we know the mode of transport?
If you have to get the most, what would be the fastest?
Airplane.
Flights, and if there's an interconnecting, then interconnecting trains also. Whatever works.
No, gone and visited.
Visited.
Gone
I
and
would
visited.
say
15?
12.
12 hours, baby. Different cities.
Okay, then I would say around 25.
Do you know how much 12 hours is? We can't do 3 episodes.
5.
Bro, you have to go to the airport. You have to do
I
the
think
fucking
7.
journey. It's exactly 7.
7?
It's exactly 7 and
Wow.
it's held by Abhishek Bachchan.
What? No, no, you're kidding.
Abhishek Bachchan holds it. He was promoting Delhi
Wow.
6. Yeah.
Wow.
The movie didn't work.
Movie
this
worked
did.
well, bro.
It worked
Delhi
well.
Che was nice.
Yeah.
I didn't see it.
The problem was that
What?
Yeah, so I'm considering it was a flop.
No, you're one of the exceptions.
it was released along with another big movie that same weekend.
Oh.
Because I remember we had watched 2 movies the same day, me and my family, on a
Oh,
Saturday.
wow.
In the morning we went after lunch and then
That's
at
fun,
night.
yaar.
What's
We've only
the-
done it once.
What's the record for watching the most movies in a day? 2. The Kalfe family.
No, true. Oh, yeah.
But like for real, Abhishek Bachchan holds it.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Apparently he does. I think there's a lot of celebrities that hold like chupke.
Yeah, no. I
Yeah.
feel like
That's
given
what
their
I said.
lifestyle only, na, they sort of it just happens without them even knowing.
Taylor Swift holds the world record for the shortest flight ever taken. Yeah, she does.
Yeah, I know.
From where to where?
It was like 10-minute drive
Yeah.
that she took a flight for.
The
10
fuck?
minutes. Maybe my numbers are wrong, but it was like a few minutes that she had taken.
That's whack.
But then, yeah, of course, that's why people hate her.
Yeah.
But it was also because like she needed to be somewhere. I really don't know. I don't know why you would take that flight.
yeah, bro. I mean,
I mean, she did not take a commercial flight. She was on her private jet.
But they
That's
use
worse.
way worse.
But they use
Huh?
fuel.
Which is way worse.
Oh yeah, 100%. This is
way worse.
horrible.
Yeah.
But a girl can dream. I'm sorry.
no, she's not only dreaming; she's doing it also.
She must have dreamt it when she was like our age.
And she shouldn't have done it. Some dreams
Yeah.
should be crushed.
Elon Musk, and like who's that other guy? Taklu.
Jeff Bezos.
Jeff Bezos are also like using their private jets like this.
I hate him also. I hate them also.
For doing
yeah,
that.
actually,
Definitely.
billionaires should not exist.
Should
Elon Musk holds.
Even if they should, it should be us because we would use our resources sparingly and wisely.
Yeah, you say that now.
No.
I thought would still use a Kali Pili. You know me. So we're gonna be reacting to like few videos of world records that have been broken by a bunch of people.
Yep.
And we're just gonna blind react to these videos. So the
Alright.
first video is
Fastest tortoise.
Aw.
So a human does not hold this record.
It's an animal.
Oh, it is a human. What the hell? That's how the video starts.
Aww.
Oh.
So cute.
I find tortoises like tortoise or tortoises.
Tortoises.
Tortoises kind of ugly, bro.
Same.
Yeah.
That, when they do that,
Another started.
we don't need the audio, no?
Do we do? Let's do that. No.
Increase more, no? Right side.
कछुआ कछुआ बोला
That's
क्या?
too cute.
Guys,
though.
let's cheer for it when it goes fast.
Aww.
Faster, my man. What is this? Your normal
Bro,
speed?
slow and steady wins the race.
But he's supposed to be fast.
Dude, that's fast for a tortoise.
That's lame, bro. Okay, this is fast.
Yeah.
No
go,
way.
go, 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 go. Yeah.
Where's the rabbit?
The rabbits is
In the
burrowing
storybook.
Oh, the
depressed.
rabbit is sleeping. Correct.
Sleeping.
Sorry.
It's in the storybook.
Listen, that's too cute.
That's very cute.
That's right.
That's too
That
cute.
is cute.
Yay!
They gave it to him.
Huh.
He gave it to her.
Oh, he's reaching out for it. No.
That's mine. That's yours. You know, my favorite things to watch is if it's like an animal like this, or even
Oh, it peed.
out
Real.
of happiness.
Kushi ke
Kushi ke susu.
Kush ki susu.
But my favorite thing to do with like animals like this is when you hold them and then they just do it in the air.
air swimming.
Air swimming. Oh my god,
So
it's so
cute.
Does he have his book of his own?
Oh, he's so cute.
Oh my god, he
Do we
looks
have
like
to watch the whole video?
he looks like an old man going for a walk. And I love that.
I love that. We're
That's
moving
so
on to the
cute.
next one, which is largest wave surf.
Oh, that's
Whoa,
fun.
that's a twist 10.
Fun.
But this depends so much on where the wave, like whether there is a big wave or not.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is very incidental.
Yeah.
It's also dependent on like the currents and all, na. So, and I think because they're like
And if-
regular surfers.
Yeah,
they
and
know
Yeah.
if it is official, then of course they must have kept all of these points under consideration before giving them that title.
Yeah.
All I'm
yeah.
glad about is that it was caught on camera.
Portugal.
I'm prepared to be amazed if it doesn't.
Oh,
Oh,
it's female.
female.
Guys, this is a
Love.
feminine phenomenon.
Second female video.
The first one was a female tortoise.
Bro.
Her name was Bertie.
Wait, why did I think that surfing was way faster than this?
It
Barbie.
is fast, bro. Because it's so from so
The
far you can't see
wave
it.
is now generating. Now it will get faster.
Whoa.
Or it's probably
Bro,
in
I
slow
think
mo.
surfing is a very cool hobby.
It's a very hot.
Very
So
it's
cool.
a very hot thing.
So cool. Listen, that's oh my god, the
Shit.
wave.
Bro, I would be so worried
That's a
about
sun-
drowning.
That's a tsunami wave at this point.
Bro, wait for the shot. Wait, how are they filming it like this if they're there?
What?
Boat, I think.
No way.
No, that's crazy.
Oh my god. Wait. 22.4 meters.
That's how they filmed it, I
Fuck,
think.
that's crazy.
Go back.
Go back.
Wait, hold it. So it's
73
22.4
feet.
meters, which is 73.5 feet, achieved by Maya Gabria.
Gabria.
No.
Gab-
Gabira.
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 Gabera.
Gabira. Sorry.
Gabera.
Guys, nature's fucking insane. Like, can I also add? I have never seen a wave
Oh, she
like that.
she held a previous record of 20 point something feet.
She broke her own record.
That's
Wow, dude.
She's like, so that no one else can break it.
Yeah.
Super.
You're
I'm
your-
obsessed
you are
with
your
her.
competition.
And you can tell she's doing it for the love of it. She's
Yeah.
not just doing it to break a record.
I'm obsessed.
So that was a surfing record being broken by herself.
By
Like
herself,
the
yeah.
biggest wave. It's crazy.
Next.
Dude, the Rajabai clock tower is 28 feet.
Hmm.
So that's like triple that.
No,
Oh.
less 22.
No, that was 24.
No, the
The
22.4
wave was
feet.
22.
Oh, that was some
That was
feet.
meter.
That was meters.
Meters
Oh,
was
shit.
70 something. Her previous was 60 point something feet, and now this was 70 point something feet.
The fuck,
That's
dude.
Triple the length
you
of
sure?
Rajabai. Yes.
Let's fact check that. Wait. Oh, seven. Oh, fuck.
73.5 feet.
Oh, dude, that's a lot.
68
Too
feet.
much.
Insane.
Rajabai clock tower is 28 feet. मुझे मेरे दिमाग में ये टैटू बन चुका है क्योंकि I remember कुछ स्कूल में कुछ तो भी जीके क्विज था या कुछ था जहाँ पर we had to tell
नहीं था
something about it. No, we had it.
उनको होगा.
So the third one is the world's longest ever ski jump.
Oh,
That's
Prada.
a woman too, right? I think it's come on my reels or something.
I don't know.
I'm gonna pray it. But I don't think guys are interested in breaking world
I'm so
records.
happy.
No, they break all the stupid
And
ones.
it's like sponsored by Prada and Red Bull.
Yep.
Guys,
Obsessed.
we have to cheer whenever it's a girl.
It's a guy.
Oh, we'll still cheer. Yay.
Lumpa. Whoa. World's longest ski jump ever.
Whoa.
Oh my god, they built their own?
Wow.
Oh shit, so they're like constructing it first. No, but that makes sense. No, if it was already there,
If
then
it has
was-
to be also safe for the.
Yeah, and if it was already there, then it probably was done by someone else before, so they have to make it from scratch.
It reminds me of Emily in Paris.
What?
Remember, she couldn't ski and all.
Yeah. Last season.
It reminded me of being in Manali with my parents, where they told us, "Oh, y'all will be skiing," and we were just standing with those things on the snow,
Doing the action.
and everyone's like,
I've done ice skating.
"I saw that video. You were exceptionally good at it."
Yeah.
I think snow sports in general are really really cool.
They are.
Yeah, of
Like when they
course.
go like to do twirly,
Yeah. Even when they like do ice dancing, ice skate. Oh, that's so graceful.
Remember Mitchell and Claire?
Yes.
Ice skate dancing, no?
That's so graceful. I love watching those.
Whoa. 855 meters is the longest.
Oh fuck.
It is something to monitor his body.
Yeah, those are not 5 nipples.
And you thought he had nipples on his arms?
I didn't see the ones on his arm, I just saw the ones on
Harry Styles who? अरे अरे.
मेरे को
Jump
लगा
it.
फेंक देंगे.
Oh, bhai.
This is like F1
that
practice
was
day.
kind of funny.
Mitchell and Claire.
Guys, we can't be making fun of these people.
We're not making fun at all. We think it's super fucking cool.
Whoa.
Oh, shit.
Fuck.
I'm imagining a tire slide on that.
Bro,
that's
this is
so
very
scary.
like I have the same feelings that that I felt when I watched this video of this guy on a motorbike. You know those videos where they go zoom?
Red
Yeah,
Bull
yeah.
only has those.
Yeah,
Red Bull only
I
has
don't
those,
know,
yeah.
but
It
those
gives you
are
wings now.
so very scary.
एक बार तो mention करना ही था.
भाई मुझे ये देख के ही ठंडी लग रही है.
पहले
ज़्यादा
तो
हो गया
कपड़े
भाई.
देख के पहनिए.
Guys, वो गिरने वाला है, गिरने वाला है.
Oh my god, it's like we are on it too. What that's like?
Soldier boy.
Chal, now he's at it.
Oh fuck.
Let's go, boy.
Oh.
Soldier boy.
His name was something like that.
Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Alright. Royu है उसका नाम. Royu.
Oh. This is so scary.
Those are like quite big.
Bro,
those-
मैं यहाँ से घर चली जाती. यहाँ तक आ गए हैं तो.
Whoa.
Oh.
It's a free fall, bro.
It is a free fall.
No.
Oi!
No.
भाई वो-
175 meters.
That's
वो
not
है-
real.
नहीं, वो जमीन पे नहीं था.
वो उड़ा. वो
वो
उड़ा
उड़ा?
है.
वो उड़ना चाहता है, वो गिरना चाहता है, लेकिन
वो
रुकना
रुकना
नहीं चाहता.
चाहता.
Listen to this.
लमाओ भाई.
And you know, like once you reach a cliff, and before the final drop, it gains so much more momentum.
Scary.
All physics.
भाई roller
You
coaster में
remember?
करने time डर लग जाता है.
Do you remember like riding a bicycle and when you're
No,
going
no, no, no,
down?
no. Look at that. Sorry, go back. Look at the way he is. Look at his body and his. Fuck, he's like. लेट गया है वो.
No, they had like
Shit.
this.
Yeah.
Like both the legs like that and the hands like this. Damn crazy.
Once again.
Dude, imagine like with all that.
Once again. एक second. फिर से कर रहा है.
He took once again very seriously.
Once
Once more. Once more.
But I think he's having fun. And I'm glad.
I'm glad he's having fun.
Crazy.
Oh, take. भाई rocket है क्या?
Fuck.
Listen, this is crazy, यार. Oh, he's trying multiple times. ये खाली एक go में नहीं हुआ है.
Ah.
He's trying it over and over.
So
to
he has
beat
to
it.
land a particular way.
Or maybe
No.
land a particular
Distance
place.
and time, I think. Distance होगा, time नहीं. Distance होगा.
That is distance upon time is what?
Speed. See, it is coming in handy.
Time
भाई,
upon
ये 10th
distance.
standard में था.
Velocity.
Oh shit.
I don't know.
अरे ये कैसा रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है? अच्छा ड्रोन.
भाई ड्रोन का भी रिकॉर्ड बना क्या फिर? वो कछुए को दे दिया तो ड्रोन को भी देना चाहिए ना.
ओ हो गया
हो गया.
Wow.
भाई वो रेड लाइन की भी बहुत आगे तक पहुंचा फिर लैंड हुआ है. क्रेजी भाई.
मतलब उसने उसका रिकॉर्ड ब्रेकिंग का भी रिकॉर्ड ब्रेकिंग कर दिया एक ही बार में. ओवर
एक बार नहीं हुआ
अचीवर.
है. उसने बार-बार किया है
बार-बार
तब
किया
जाके रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक हुआ
पर
है.
एक ही बार में उसका रिकॉर्ड पहली बार भी
एक ही
ब्रेक हुआ
time
और
पे.
दूसरी बार भी ब्रेक हुआ
हम्म
है ना.
YouTube चेंज कर वीडियो दूसरा.
कल से फास्टेस्ट स्पीड ऑन एन इलेक्ट्रिक स्केटबोर्ड.
फन.
पहले ही स्केटर बॉय है, मैं फ्लैट हूँ गाइस.
हम लेट चुके हैं.
Not my type.
Okay, fine.
गाइस
अभी मैं
क्रिकेट
कुछ
वाला है
बोल के
क्या?
लेकिन फिर विवाद हो जाता है.
Fastest speed on an electric skateboard.
ओए!
ओह
गिर गया वो. बेचारा गिर गया.
गिर गया.
मुझे गिरे हुए लड़के भी पसंद है.
Heavy driver.
Ryder. Oh no, sorry.
मीशो इसका भाई इसका नाम
I
मीशो
thought his name was Ryder.
प्रोवाइडर है भाई.
क्या है उसका नाम? मीशो.
मीशो.
को
MISO.
कुछ तो है यार.
Misho from Misho.
ऐसे मजाक नहीं उड़ा सकते भाई.
भाई वापस गिर गया.
भाई दूसरी बार गिरा है ये.
मतलब कितना पेनफुल होगा भाई.
I think he's fine. I think he's just resistant now.
नहीं उसने पूरा सूट पहना है. ये तो पहले बताना चाहिए था ना. 59.5 miles per hour.
95 Zia.
माइल्स पर आवर. तूने किलोमीटर पर आवर
Oh.
पढ़ा.
अरे
हो
भाई उसने
गया.
किया ही नहीं.
कुछ समझा ही नहीं.
भाई उसने नहीं किया. ये तो मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. गिरना ही है ना.
What?
अशोका मर ध्यान से देखो.
भाई मैं आँख खुला रखी थी भाई.
मिशको.
I'm pretty sure उसका नाम मीशो नहीं है.
निशको या
Proper noun है. You can say it however.
It's MEESHO.
ठीक है गाइस
MISHO.
फोकस.
Okay.
हाँ ठीक है ऐसा किया. मतलब एक स्ट्रेच में सबसे ज्यादा
Speed.
स्पीड और सबसे ज्यादा डिस्टेंस.
Oh.
हाँ हाँ सही है भाई. किया तो सही.
अच्छा,
फिर
then
बाद-
he fell.
बाद में गिर गया. बाद में गिर गया.
I think I would be able to do this.
For sure.
हाँ.
गिरने वाला पार्ट. अगले. ओह Feeling proud Indian Army.
Okay, so this is
जंग के
this is a
मैदान में कदी ना हार दी.
14-year-old human. Oh my god, he's a human calculator. He's this guy.
अरे
मैं ये सपने में भी नहीं कर सकती भाई. मेरे से दूर लेके जाओ.
देखना.
ये मेरे से दूर ले जाओ.
भाई भाई लेकिन वो विद्या बालन की मूवी भी तो आई थी. उसने पहले किया था.
शकुंतला देवी.
शकुंतला देवी.
She did this.
Bro, Vedic math started very early.
Vedic maths is from.
Then how is this a
Vedic
word?
maths, abacus. This is all.
I did Vedic maths.
I did
I
abacus.
did abacus.
कर करके बता.
So this is 6 and then 2 beads is 7 8 and then 9 and then 10 is 4 nikalo and 5 5
Like that numbers even I can
and
recite.
then 11 12.
ये देख एंटरटेन कर रहा है.
Guys, 567 into 123.
दे का कर. तुझे आता है ना.
छोड़ भाई.
Bro, 1 minute. We made fun of him. Sorry for that. But he's not even doing all of that.
He is. They're just checking on the calculator.
Arey, he's not doing this.
अरे he's not doing abacus. वो
हाँ,
mental
हाँ,
math
हाँ,
कर रहा है.
हाँ,
Abacus
He's
नहीं
doing
कर
it
रहा है.
completely mentally.
Hi.
My life is a.
He's 14. Which other 14-year-old do we know that has crossed boundaries?
I know a 4-year-old who has crossed boundaries.
Vaibhav, bro.
Vaibhav or Raghav? Vaibhav Suryavanshi.
Sorry,
He's
I
Shout
the
out.
14-year-old in Rajasthan Royals ka team, and he hit the
Oh, yeah.
second fastest 100 in the history of IPL.
Shout! Oh my god, that's a world record in its own, right?
No, second
second.
fastest.
Oh.
Second fastest.
But he's
Oh,
14.
but
First
like
is Rohit, no?
By an Indian, he's first now.
By an Indian, he's first.
Yes. And all across IPL, there's some other player. I can't remember the name, and he has the fastest across IPL all over. And he's
Whoa.
second on that.
But yeah, 14-year-olds are
Crazy.
actually going insane, and we love that.
Dubai.
So he lives in Dubai.
Whoa!
104 digit numbers,
Listen,
guys.
I'm going to be yelling at this. I'm going to put my mic away.
Oh,
Oh,
oh, he's doing that.
No, but look how fast it's going.
Bro, it is going like less than a second.
I can't even
Per
read the
showing.
numbers properly.
That's too fucking fast.
No, that is very fast.
that's not real.
I don't-
Deserved.
Yeah.
And
I don't think
completely
Shakuntala
deserved.
Devi did this.
Yeah, I don't think. Even if she must have, he broke the record.
1 minute.
Holy
You know,
hell.
like jokes apart, I genuinely want to know how they do this.
For real?
Like, what is it with their hands that they do?
Did he get it? Did he get it? Did he get it?
No.
Yeah, he got it.
He has to get it.
Yeah, of course he gets it. But this is like so crazy.
Yo!
The previous record was 50 seconds. He did it in 37.
That's like 20 seconds.
30
lesser.
seconds. Oh my god!
104 digit number.
God gifted for real.
He's on it. Listen.
Oh, he's trying for 200. Holy shit.
Fastest time to mentally add 200 four-digit numbers, which he completed on his first attempt with an astonishing time of
Oh, sorry, 104 digit numbers and 204 digit numbers.
That's roughly one calculation every 0.3 seconds.
Shut up.
He got it right?
He got the 200 wala in less than the 100 wale ka previous record.
No, what are you saying?
Oh, no, sorry. I thought it was 90, but it's not. It's 50.
Where's 50?
He's saying you can't think. You only have to focus on calculating.
If you don't think, how are you calculating?
I have no idea how he's doing that.
Oh, it's 5 digits.
He did 5 digits now?
Yes.
Another successful Guinness World Records attempt.
18 seconds.
18 seconds for 55
50,
digits.
that's 5 digits. That gets harder, but the time gets lesser.
He's scared.
I think he is getting into the groove of it.
But still, dude, you're not missing one number.
Daily. That makes sense.
That makes so much sense.
He was very good to play with numbers. At the age of 6, he started the practice of mental calculation. After a research,
Aw.
we prepared for some competition. At the age of 8, we went for a competition and he won medals and trophies.
Another successful attempt for Aaron, taking his total to 4 records on the day. Next up is the fastest time to mentally divide a 10-digit number by a 5-digit number in a set of 10.
Clearly.
As a parents have a role to make sure that he doesn't get overloaded or stress.
To keep balance, relaxing is important. Like outside mental calculation, I love reading books, especially adventure and mystery books. As kids,
His hobbies are also so
many countries
proper.
Proper, bro.
I wonder if he gets beat at home.
He doesn't. I'm sure he doesn't.
Yeah. same.
After this, definitely not.
I think he's the kid who is motivated by himself.
He's the Sharma ji ka beta.
For
Yeah.
He's a Sharma ji ka beta. So, the first video in this compilation is of a man who has the longest nails, and they're like measuring it, and then just like
Yeah, I think this is the introduction to most people's Guinness Book of World Record like awareness.
Yes.
Like this is the first one because I think like my mom especially is so scared of me like growing my nails because she's like they become curly at the end. Like I'm never growing my nails that long.
much, yeah.
Oh.
And it's a little gross. It's actually very gross because they have so many colors, and it's because
Yeah.
of dirt and like,
And he's like,
and he's like holding it up like this is hanging
Yeah,
down.
like imagine
oh
the
my
weight.
god,
And this is
on a
second,
female.
The second person is a female named Ayana Williams,
I wonder how much she paid for those.
and she got acrylics, babe.
She's just a girl.
It's almost as equal to like
As long as a giraffe.
long as a giraffe.
No.
Yeah.
The length of
Length
All of our
the-
nails combined. Exactly.
Holy fuck.
Imagine the man's total length then. Like
It
five
was
giraffes.
more
five
than-
giraffes on top of
It-
the other.
That was longer than a London bus. It had written on the video earlier.
Oh.
Yeah.
वो कर्ल्स वगैरह कैसे मेजर करते होंगे ऐसा घुमा घुमा के
नहीं
Measure
वो
tape ना।
circumference वगैरह लेते होंगे उसका.
But the measuring tape, you know, the ones that roll, you can take
हाँ,
with that, also.
you
na?
can do.
which ones
The measure, the Nike
सिलाई
fabric.
सिलाई
Sorry,
टेलर कौन सा यूज
हाँ,
करता
मैं
है?
वही बोल रही थी
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yuck.
Yeesh.
Okay, so basically she's holding a cup in her hand and she has to put her finger through the handle of the cup and
to
then
lift it
basically she's
No, she's doing daily tasks
Her
with the
daily
nails,
tasks,
and
yeah.
it is insane.
her daily task consists of 10 hours of just doing this
yeah, so basically even a simple task will take her like a really, really long time. And she's won it.
Tongyu science.
Tongue science. Tongi.
Tongyu.
Oh, this person has the
Hey.
longest tongue.
Huh?
that's what it tastes what
Huh?
Ew!
Jay!
oh my god okay he's painting
He's painting.
painting
He's
with his
put
tongue.
cling wrap on his tongue, and he is painting with it. That's insane. I hope he's a lesbian.
So the third one it's called the Iceman. Oh, he stayed in an ice water bath for over an hour.
You're fucking lying.
What?
What was the temperature outside? I need to know the room temperature. Wait a minute. 1 hour 53 minutes.
oh god
What? बाजू में फिर आग लगाई उन्होंने ताकि उसको थोड़ा तो गर्म लगे.
look
Oh, and he's also ran a half marathon barefoot on ice and snow with 2 hours, 16 minutes and 34
Bro,
seconds.
fuck being barefoot. He's also half naked.
He's only in kacha.
It's like
He's
his
only in
black
chaddi.
shorts.
Sydney Sweeney.
He's actually Sydney Sweeney. So he credits it to his breathing technique, which I would have probably died in there.
Bro, he has an
Yeah.
oxygen tank to him.
अरे तो क्या हुआ?
yeah, bro.
obviously,
Like, you know, even when
Obviously.
people go for ice baths, fuck
That's
ice
what I'm
baths.
saying. He's taking it very seriously.
yeah
Bro, of course he'll be dead otherwise.
can take a oh whoa
Oh, wow.
Hey!
See, all this I don't like. Fucking pause it.
Yeah, no. I'm not. I'm not for it. I'm not for
This
it.
record is basically this man trying to push nails into a wooden plank with his,
his
forehead.
Forehead.
In
And I
1
don't
minute,
like
he has
this
done
shit.
13, and he holds the record. But it makes no fucking sense, guys. Okay, there's a rock in between that, but it still makes it no better.
And I
Most
don't
concrete blocks broken within
On
with
his head.
On his head.
the bowling
40
ball
with a bowling ball over his head. Most concrete blocks in 3 minutes, which is the record is 45.
Sometimes, you know, I genuinely feel bad for people who put themselves to such extreme measures for what?
Yeah.
literally end up
Like
nowhere.
you're bro, this can lead to a really, really bad accident.
exactly
What's the point?
Yeah. Also, I don't
Yeah.
understand how you gain interest in such a thing.
I don't mind watching this play.
We are watching it.
yeah watching
Yeah,
it
I thought you guys were like.
No, we're watching it.
No.
Use a unique ability. Acha, हाँ, okay. Your skull is thick. You're thick skulled. Actually.
okay
Oh my god, that's also from a
Yes.
big drop.
Guys, stop fucking doing this shit. Heavy science. Exercise. हाँ ठीक है चल.
Is that Nicocado avocado? No. Oh shit. I thought that.
One step ahead. Juan Pedro Franco Salas.
Salah.
Well, guess where he's from?
He's from Mexico and he weighs 594.8 kgs.
He weighs 600 kgs.
Yeah.
Which made him the heaviest man living.
What?
That's crazy.
Is that his record?
Yes.
But like he wanted to do this. This happened. I don't.
Oh, he's
know.
also lost 170 kgs.
Okay, good. Good for him. Juan is now being treated. Okay, valid.
So he got treated and he lost 170 kgs in 20 pounds in 2017.
Wow. Some people can burp words by controlling. Oh, I think I can do this.
This looks like the three of y'all. Y'all could
I'm
do
a
it.
burper.
I can't burp words, but I can burp.
You can,
on
if you
purpose.
practice,
Oh yeah,
you'll
did
be able
we
to
try
do it.
doing something like this?
Did we?
No.
Oh my god, I can't do it. And
No,
plus that's
my
making my
God.
like.
Pukey?
Yeah.
No, this is making my chest hurt.
भी मैं कुछ बोलती लेकिन विवाद हो जाता.
Esophageal speech, it's called.
Oh, he can burp louder than a motorcycle.
Oh,
I
wait,
don't believe
he's
that.
having a fizzy drink. Wait.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
हाँ ये हमें पता था.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Ew. Imagine he does this after having garlicky seafood
Onions, bro.
and onions.
Dead. Ah.
Yay.
Tallest man.
Lucky for you is just
No,
my
but
time.
like, bro, it's difficult, dude.
Yes,
I mean,
it's
there's
very
so much
difficult.
weight on your knees. I can't imagine what it might be like.
This is a little out of context. I visited my nanu a while back, and he just randomly happened to ask my height. I'm like, no, I'm 5'4". I'm 5 feet exact. And then he's like, "Acha hai, you will live longer because tall people." He's like, tall people have difficulty even doing a lot of things because
Yeah.
as they grow taller, they sort of start to
Hunch.
stoop and hunch, and then they have
Yeah.
difficulty in walking. And I'm like,
And
wow.
I
Taller
remember,
people die faster.
Yeah, he
I
said that.
remember there was this friend of mine in school, and she was like really tall. Okay, and whenever there was like a assembly or something in school, and if she had to read, and I could always see her even from the audience. So if I had to stand next to her, I would always see her beat this
Yes.
and read, and I used to get irritated, but I used to be like, bro, just stand straight.
Yes.
Yeah, I know this guy. He's like 6'5" or 6'6". Yeah,
6'5".
6'5".
Yeah.
It's like so fucking tall.
Yeah, that is tall.
Yeah,
That's a full grown adult.
21 centimeter.
Oh my god.
21 centimeter.
Tallest man ever, Robert Waldo, is 21 centimeters shy of the tallest man ever.
He is 21 centimeter shy of the tall. I don't get it. What?
No,
what is
he's
He
20.
is 21 centimeters.
that? Shorter.
He's 21 centimeters.
No.
Oh my
The
god.
small
wait,
one is
no.
21 centimeters.
So he is 21
No.
meters shy.
Baby, this guy is 21 meters shy of this guy.
the middle
This
man.
guy is 21 meters shy of this guy.
And
The
what-
difference.
But centimeter लिखा है उधर.
How is that 21 centimeters only?
Read it. I think that's
Yeah.
what it means because that's the only maths that makes sense.
Beach wala or
So there is a dude named Robert.
Yeah, and it's not this middleman.
This guy is 21 centimeters shorter than the tallest man.
Oh. So he's not the tallest man?
He's the second tallest.
Oh.
Then why is he in the video?
Maybe that dude is dead or something.
Yeah.
could be.
Dude who's really, really tall, like 7 feet or something, and he died.
Yeah, wasn't he Asian?
No, that's another dude.
That's the oldest dude.
Western.
Oh, okay.
So
Got it.
this
That's London, no?
तू
that's
बता.
London. That's London. That was.
हम नहीं गए.
this
That was
guy
in front
is
of
the
Big Ben.
second tallest person alive,
Sultan.
and
Waterloo. Yeah, it's London.
and he is 21 meters shy of the tallest person alive.
It was mentioned then in that thing.
Yeah.
So the tallest person ever was
Someone.
someone
21
else.
centimeter taller than this person.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And his name was Robert Waldo. And there is a little baby. It's not a real baby, it's a grown adult, but
Who's also-
they
who's
are
quite
very short.
Oh shit, he had a tumor which caused this. That's sad.
Damn it.
Crazy.
That was really eye opening, and I mean that by that
Yes.
guy.
Oh my god, I couldn't watch it.
I didn't watch it.
I couldn't watch
I
it.
did not watch it.
I like watching
I
squeaky
don't mind
things like
watching
that.
gory stuff, but that made me uncomfortable. Yo.
I think a little
That
bit,
is gory.
a little part. Yeah, that is kind of gory. But like gory means like
Gauri Khan.
Blood
Gory.
and like all of that shit.
Gauri
White.
Khan.
yeah, it's blood and violence. That's gore. But this was just freaky.
Yeah,
Oh.
I agree.
Which is why I was like, he should not
अभी
do it.
कोई भी
do it
अपनी
to men.
आंख बड़ी करेगा ना मैं फट मेरी डर
I think
जाऊंगी.
Bro, वो भी बच्चे होते थे ना.
I also
मैं
can,
डरती थी.
bitch, I
मत कर,
also
मत कर.
cannot.
मुझे पता तू करेगी. मत कर.
I cannot watch when the eyeballs
Yes.
go up and there's just the white part that remains. I cannot
Ritu.
look. I
know.
cannot look at that.
I know.
I cannot look at that.
Us.
Oh my god.
But there are like, I think some world records. I think even we should like try to break.
Yeah, what do you think you could?
We should
you
pick
would
the
be
call.
able to
We
break.
should pick the call on the Guinness World of
Yeah.
Guinness Book of World Record right now.
Yo, what
Hello.
record do you have for me to break? I think the skiing one would be really fun if I had the skills to ski.
I would do the cycling bit.
I really want to learn.
Cycling was so cute.
cycling-
I think
Yeah.
the cycling bit should be the one for 4 of us together.
Yeah.
But you know what? One of my hobbies is genuinely to learn skateboarding, and if I really could, I would be able to do that.
Fair.
Because see, at the end he falls, so you have that safety net of like falling.
Yeah.
So I'll like put my body down and fall.
I think I can get a world record for like scrolling the maximum number of reels at this, like the shortest time.
And about staying up on camera? Staying awake on camera?
Not really possible. No.
Precisely.
What about you?
Bro.
I would have to call them and be like, bro, meet me at my toilet. Because I genuinely think
Biggest dump.
You know, no, not even biggest dump, like
The number
most
of
number
times.
of dumps in a day.
Yeah.
I think even if I'm
Unknowingly you must have broken.
even if I'm not sick, I think if I don't have diarrhea, I think I'll be able to break
As
it.
a healthy, most amount of dumps taken in a day by a healthy,
Healthy
person.
person.
Yeah.
Sanjana Hoser.
Bro, but I'm becoming a girl with stomach issues.
You've said this for the 8th time today.
Not on the camera.
But I'm fed up.
Don't be. It's a choice.
Bro, I think I'd be able to do something like makeup related. So did you know that the world record for the most full applications of a lipstick under a minute is 30?
Oh, you could do more than that.
I can easily do more. In fact,
Easily.
we are all gonna take one lipstick and we're all gonna try it.
And then we'll kiss.
No.
It'll be 4 layers on
gonna
one.
be like here.
No.
No, we will not. We just get a lipstick.
Yeah.
We do a full application. We see how many we can do in 30 seconds. And then once you do it, you have to say 1, 2,
Okay.
3. Yeah. So that's the plan.
Do you want to do it
Take it.
now?
Are you
That-
crazy?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
Yes.
Oh my god, I'm excited. I'm excited.
You don't
Wait,
have.
I didn't say mine. I think for me, I would hold the record for sleeping. Like I can go
You know,
non-stop.
that's actually a competition.
I can some company pays people
Yeah.
to sleep to like see how comfortable their beds and
Yes.
pillows are.
Yes.
And sign me up.
I remember I saw this one video where there were a bunch of people and the challenge was basically who can sleep for the longest.
Yeah.
And bro,
Sign me up, yeah.
Sleep
on
well.
that.
Even
Sleep
if I
well
don't win.
mattresses. Where's the fucking collaboration?
Even if I
at?
don't win, I don't care.
yeah.
I just want to be a part.
सोना है मैं तो
चलो,
सो भी रही थी
Lipstick nikalo.
Yes, I'm so excited.
So the record is of 30 layers of lipstick
In 1 minute.
1 minute. And we have to try to beat it. So the timer is going to go up for 1 minute.
Why is your camera so ass?
And then you have to do a layer. And then go 1, 2, 3, 4.
oh my god
And it doesn't have to be perfect, but we also have like someone checking in on us.
Yeah.
okay
I can only check on post.
okay
That's why we
Then,
cheat. Okay.
all right. So we all have like something to look and have a mirror. We're gonna start now. 3. Okay. Give us a 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
One.
One.
Two.
Two.
Three.
Three.
Four.
Five.
Five.
Six.
Four.
Seven. Eight. Nine.
9.
10.
10.
11,
11. 12.
12,
13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 21. 24. 25. 26. 24. 27. 25. 28. 29. 30. 31. 32, 33, 34, 31, 35, 32,
I lost count.
37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 48, 49, 40, 41, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53,
I'm fucking done.
54, 55, 56,
Guys.
57, 58, 59. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76,
She's so
77,
locked in.
78, 79, 80,
She's
81,
so
82,
locked
83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89,
Oh my
90.
god.
Are we done?
I yelled like 5 times.
Oh.
How much did you do?
90. Call them
Guinness.
Call them
Come on.
right now.
She would be happy if Guinness World Record also call. If you give her one Guinness beer also, she will be happy.
I hate beer, but give me Guinness also. Give me anything, I'll be happy.
Bro, look at the state of my lipstick. I got afraid of the health of my lipstick, so I stopped.
No, bro, I was putting it very like properly.
Why?
I don't know.
Bro, I was pulling an Alia. I was like, that was so much easier. My poor lipstick. She's
Guys, we
destroyed.
need a picture like this. Guys, this for the thumbnail. Just pose.
Oh my god, I hate this shade on me.
You look sick. Oh my god, we should do that. Sia, come here. Oh my god, we should do that.
What? No. Not now.
For the thumbnail. Fuck you, I don't want to do this with you anymore. I am heartbroken.
It looks like you've eaten a new chocolate.
Really.
Ah!
It's on her teeth.
It's on your teeth as well. It was.
Yeah, I know.
I'm
Oh my
flawless,
God.
actually.
Guys, this is a great way to do our intro. Exit, sorry.
Exit.
दो और पीछे.
If you watched Talk until now, I want you guys to subscribe,
No, and comment the lipstick emoji.
comment the lipstick emoji, subscribe to our channel, and share this video, like this video, and comment the lipstick emoji if you watched until now.
And guys,
Yes.
if you're listening to us on Spotify, this would be really fun on YouTube, so go ahead on
Yes.
over there. But while you're on Spotify, please give us a great rating.
And if you're listening to us on Instagram or watching our reels, then don't forget to follow us on Instagram at wearebesharam. Like our reels, comment down anything, bro. And like share it with everyone.
Until